So it's late July 2018. We're visiting the Pole Patch area, which is near Burley Mountain on the Gifford Pinchot National Forest. So this year, for the Pole Patch area, well, we have actually, a great time to see management at work to improve huckleberry fields, and we're hopeful to see a lot more in the future.
2018, the Pole Patch area will be available only for federally recognized tribes to camp in, although both local and commercial pickers will be allowed to go into the area to pick. This area is a great opportunity to begin looking at where the Cowlitz Indian tribe may be able to have some more established picking areas. The Pole Patch area is an excellent picking location with lots of berries.
Back in 2009, with a partnership with the Cowlitz Indian tribe and the Pinchot Partners, uh, we worked with the Forest Service to uh, address concerns around a lot of huckleberry field areas, such as this called Pole Patch, that have been constrained by Mother Nature in reality. Historically, tribes used to use burning activities to keep huckleberry fields open for future picking, to keep the trees from getting a foothold. About a century ago, or a little over a century, tribes weren't allowed to come in and do their normal practice that we've done for thousands of years. And now we are running into problems of forestation of historic, significant huckleberry areas for the tribes. And working with the Pinchot Partners, which is a local group around Randall and Packwood, Washington, we are now in partnership to come up here and seek management of removing some of these trees, which will happen in this area fairly soon, to improve the conditions for huckleberry fields, um, because as trees start to encroach on these fields, it doesn't help huckleberry growth very well. So this is a kind of a Kickstarter project that we've done with the Forest Service, which now we've moved on from that and are looking at several more areas to try to improve huckleberry conditions, to lessen some of the pressures that go along with the commercial picking and tribal harvesters, as well as general public.
As Taylor referred to here, the Pole Patch area was thinned to increase berry productivity for all users back in 2009.
Hi, I'm Amy Boyd. I'm your forest land steward of the Cowlitz Indian tribe. We've been doing some research the last couple of summers to find out what makes huckleberries more productive or less productive, and we've been working on that this summer as well. I have some information for you on how the berries are doing this summer specifically, and some of the conditions we think are influencing berry production. One thing I want to report to you that I think is pretty exciting is that areas that have had good berry picking in the past are doing really well this summer.
Our research this summer took in the entire Gifford Pinchot National Forest and several different habitat types so that we could identify some of the features and factors that are affecting huckleberry productivity. We're primarily looking at shade and elevation as the two factors that we believe are influencing berrying productivity as well as the plant productivity itself. We are interested in finding out how we can have more berrying productivity to allow us to provide more berries for all.
This is thin leaf and oval leaf huckleberry side by side. One is matte with smooth edges and one is shiny with serrated edges. Shiny with serrated is big leaf, or Vaccinium membranaceum, or as we call it, vein.
This is the second season of work to identify what is affecting huckleberry productivity. We did about 125 sites last summer and we've done 38 this summer. We're trying to pinpoint or at least get a better idea of which factors improve berrying across the forest. This has been a multi-agency approach. We're working with the Gifford Pinchot National Forest, Pinchot Partners, and the Cascade Forest Conservancy. As you can see in these videos and photos, we looked at a wide range of different habitats, from wide open to densely forested. This allowed us to have the best information to allow us to do a statistical analysis of our data. As I discussed earlier, it looks like it's going to be a good berry season in 2018, and the pole patch area will be available for camping for Cowlitz people as well as other federally recognized tribal members. See you out there.